No, not yet. Hey, this is Caleb the Awesome and Cassidy the Epic.
/ stupid.
No, it was / poopy.
But now it's / stupid.
No, you're / stupid.
No.
What'd you say is what you are?
Mirror.
Oh, come on. You suck.
What you say?
No, I don't believe in that crap.
Go Glee! Wait, today we are going
What
on
the-
Club
what the heck?
Penguin. And
My computer is frozen again.
her computer is frozen.
It keeps freezing.
And it keeps freezing. I see that.
I need my other mouse.
You need your other mouse.
Like the mouse that you can move here, not this.
That was like right around here somewhere.
I think it's still downstairs.
No, I saw it. It was around here somewhere. Sorry, technical difficulties.
I'm jumping on my bed.
Starting. Oh well, doesn't really matter. Let's just.
Hey, it's right under your butt.
Oh, okay. Technical difficulty solved.
What the? Hey, you were doing.
Oh, that's bright. Oh, it's Club Penguin. I can flip again. I can flip again. Ooh, Mission Puffle.
I'm gonna do that.
I'm gonna do what?
What you just said? Look at my shirt.
I don't like it.
It's
I like me. Ooh, yeah, that's not me.
yeah.
You suck. Ooh, that's me. No, that isn't. Icicle. Oh,
Hey, my friends are on there.
Yeah, that's why I said icicle. Duh.
No, don't show my skirt. Please.
Okay, I'll show your face.
Okay, blah. I don't care. I don't care.
Ooh. Ah.
Kelji. I want to help.
Ready, watch this.
I want to help her. No. I want to help her. I want to help her. I want to help her. Okay.
Who's your favorite puffle?
Purple. Well, it's technically white, but my favorite color is
Go
purple. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know where to go.
You go over there, I guess.
I guess I go down here. Whoa.
You're dancing.
I want some of these. I only have 7 coins. Really?
Yeah.
I'll go and get some after. Wait, what? That was cool. Yay.
Just follow.
No, there was like... Oh, yeah. I like Pop Print. And EPF.
3P.
Whoa, look at this dude. Look at that dude. He has like a Herbert skin. And this dude has a klutzy one.
I bet you they're best friends.
Probably. Or they're like doing what we do on the wall. I'm just floating.
Yeah, it's because of the current.
I guess I'll just go up here. Well, I like that music. Sounds good. Well, there's like redstone torches. Do I go here? That looks so small. I guess I go down here.
Or you could
Hello.
You could go up there.
Whoa. I guess I'll go down there then. I should get my puffle. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think I'm going around in circles. Whoa. What the?
Okay.
Oh, there's the volcano. I'm going to... Hello, can you focus on what you're filming here? There it is. What the? Okay. It said Mustache Josh. Whoa. Someone should
Okay,
get
just
mad.
let you carry yourself. Just move by yourself.
I don't know what to do exactly.
Here, just follow these guys right here.
I was
Just
already here though. I was
let-
already.
Yeah, let yourself move.
I was already here though.
Let yourself move.
Hey, should I go out there?
No, just let yourself move.
No, I'm gonna see it there. How do I get up there? Oh, there we go. What is that dude doing?
He's tied up.
No, he's not. It's just kind of there to look at. Well, you can't go in there? That sucks. How come it lights up?
Jump down, jump down. Okay, let the current take you.
Whoa, look at that dude.
Look, that's actually a puffle!
No, it's not.
You just saw my eyeball. Isn't it creepy? Look at that guy.
Yeah, that dude right there that's floating.
Yeah, follow that guy. He
What
looks
about
like a
down
brainiac.
here? What the heck is this? I don't even know where to go.
You go over there.
No, I just
Go-
went around in a circle
Yeah.
from there.
Yeah, but just go over there.
See? Where do I go here? Do I go in here? I guess not.
Follow these guys. They look like a know-it-all.
Are they even members? No.
See, he just disappeared.
That's because he went here. Mustache Josh? Who the heck is that? I want to be friends with Mustache Josh.
It's not Josh Rivers. I'm friends with Josh Rivers.
On Club Penguin?
Yeah.
I'm not sure where to go exactly. Hello, can I go up here? I'm going up there. What? It's a slide. Josh Wolgar.
Know-it-all.
Club Penguin.
Know-it-alls.
Whee.
Just follow that guy. He's a know-it-all.
Whoa. I guess I'll just go there.
Try and go in the... There's a
I
red
want-
puffle! There's a red puffle down there.
Red puffle?
No, you go down there. That's how you
No,
save
just
one.
a sec. I know what the... Okay, I'll just save it first. Whoa. Whoa, what the? This is creepy. No, I got it. Whoa.
Okay, hit X now.
That exits my game,
Oh,
dude.
Okay, retry. No, you have to follow it.
Whoa.
You could have collected that.
I will.
The golden card.
Oh, come on.
You don't dunk on those.
Collecting the car, collecting this, and collecting the hoodie.
Can't try again.
Retry. Whoa.
Just let yourself go.
Oh no. They keep on escaping.
Here, retry. Let's see
I
the
want this.
instructions. Let's see.
I know the instructions.
No, go. Just do it. Do it, Cassidy. Slide down hills. Go this one up hills. So go that up hills.
Slide. 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 Oh, I failed. Slide. Slide. Ouch. Slide. 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 No, there's only one left. Slide. Ew. Slide. 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 catch it. Slide. 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 No. No. Oh, you just got away. I
Okay,
failed.
let me try.
No, I'm still trying. Got up lots of stuff. Mustache Josh. Okay. Try this again. Slide. I will slide. Me.
2 left.
Whoa, that failed. Slide. You've been recording for 10 minutes already. Oh, I got 2 left. 2. 2. Woo! Woo! Oh. Mm. 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 Mm.
You've almost gotten 1.
I'm almost there.
1 escaped. There's still 1.
I'm almost there. Oh no. Oh no, I'm doing bad. Gotta get this.
See, don't
Almost there.
slide uphill.
Trying not to. Almost there.
Use your front arrow sliding up, going uphill.
Whoa. No! 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 Oh, he's escaped.
Can I now?
After I collect this. What's that? Okay, I'm gonna try one more time and then you can go.
Go! You're supposed to slide at the very start. You have 3 left.
Got, oh, whoa. That
2.
failed. Whoa.
Too early.
Sorry. What the heck? I hope I get this one, or else I'm gonna kill myself. Oh.
Don't slide too early.
Going for it. Oh. I hope I get this. I really hope I get this. No, I failed. Badly. Get your turn. I only got 20% of battery. Press down.
Yeah, I know.
Here, I'll move the mouse. Go for it, Caleb. You have one.
Almost.
Go, go, go. Get it, get it, get it. Get it. You're almost there. Come on, you almost got one. You almost got it. Go, Caleb. Oh no. Can guests do this? Like, do you have to be a member to do this?
Oh.
Do you have to be? Let's just screw this.
No. I need to catch 1. I'm going to catch 1 this time.
Yeah, we have to catch. What are you doing? Get it.
Catching 1? What do you think I'm doing?
You were like sliding uphill.
Got it.
You have one.
1 escaped.
Get it. I'm sure you'll get that, dude. Almost there. Got it.
Got 2.
2. No, dude escaped. Okay, you got 1 left. You shake the whole bed every time you like jerk.
Ah.
Yeah, sorry, we're filming on my bed. Yay.
Let's collect this stuff.
And this. Yay. Okay,
Okay,
here.
now
Here, hold it.
I need to do something.
Hold it. Oh, we got, I'm gonna use glitter. Okay. Let's go, glitter.
You're supposed to slide on that first thing. How about now
I'm doing awesome. Oh, I got one. Got one. I got one. Oops. No! No! What are you doing? Got one.
Now it's my turn.
No. No. I want to put on something. What the?
Ah, I hate this. I hate this song.
Should I change it?
Yeah.
It gets annoying after a while for me. Which pencil should I take with me? Golden one glitter. Besides golden one. Where is glitter? Oh, there he is. I'm not gonna take glitter.
Why?
Besides glitter.
No,
I'm gonna
do
take
glitter
No,
and
I
all
wanna
your
take
gold
s-
stuff.
I want to take sparkle. That's on ice. And it's gonna be a biggie. There's a party in my ears. Your body's getting jiggy. There's a party in my ears now.
Everything looks different in the northern disco lights. Places cut from brick to brick and we're dancing in the line. So come on inside. Bring your friends and good vibes. It's the
I think I have golden shoes.
it's gonna be a biggie. There's a party in my biggie. Step left and down to the right. Clap hands and then just jive. Everybody's getting jiggy.
I have gold runners now, yay.
Bring your friends and good vibes. It's
The best on ice. It's gonna be a biggie. There's a party in my ears.
step left and down.
I'm a member.
Clap hands and then just jive.
Everybody's getting jiggy. There's a party in my ears now. Why don't they have like golden hair? It's pretty stupid. Next chain. Next chain. Hello.
Why don't you go in your gold car?
I don't want to go in a golden limo.
What?
I don't want gold limo. Down the street. Gold car? Whoa! No. Should I take glitter? I'll get glitter. Let's walk
And go in your gold car.
No.
Why? Someone's calling you.
Wait, on my EPF thing?
They
Message. Blah blah. I don't actually really read those.
Okay, we're just gonna wrap this video up
And when it hits 20
in
minutes.
like 30 seconds.
Yeah.